ब्रह्मणि निष्ठा सुखयति. Avoidance of the mind in Brahma Sarupa delights. What sukhayati here? Paramananda Anubhava sukhayati. How it can be gained? Swanubhutya. So direct experience of one Swarupa free from Adhyastha Prapancha. What is the result? Besides Sukhayati, Param Avidya Karya Dukkham Harati. Entire samsara sorrow, which is a product of avidya, distress. But what is to be done for that? A yati, one should give up what? The bandha hetu vihaya. He has to give up the bandha hetu. What is the bandha hetu? Asat anusandhi or asat anusandhi. Anusandhi means anusandhana. Anusandhana means chintana. Chintana of asat. What is asat? Anatma. Drishya, Vishaya Rupa, Jagat. Vishaya Chintana has to be given up, and Swayam Aham Asmiti Atma Drishtya Eva Tishte. Swayam Atma Swarupa is my Swarupa, so Atma Drishtya Tishte. So now to do this, the major hurdle is Vishaya Chintana, Bahya Chintana, which was pointed out earlier. Again, it is how it is devastating, how it obstructs vision of our Swarupa is being further elaborated.
Bhayyanusandhi parivardhaye palam Durvasanameva tatasatodhikam Jnatva vivekaihi parirudhya bhahyam Svatmanusandhim vidahita nityam Anvaya Bhayyanusandhihi ततहा अधिकां दुर्वासनां एव फलं परिवर्तयेत् तत् ज्ञात्वा विवेकैः बाह्यं परिवृत्य स्वात्मानुसन्धिं नित्यं विदधीत. Again, बाह्यानुसन्धिः ततः अधिकां दुर्वासनाम् एव फलं परिवर्तयेत् तत् ज्ञात्वा विवेकैः बाह्यं परिवृत्य स्वात्मानुसन्धिं नित्यं विदधीत.
Bhayyanusandhi or alternate reading is there. Bhahyabhisandhi. Abhisandhi, anusandhi means chintana, asanga, asakti. So, Bhayyanusandhi is Vishaya Sangha, Vishaya Chintana. So, that means, what does this Vishaya Chintana or Vishaya Sangha does? This Phalam Parivardhaye. It makes the Phala result grow, good or bad. But what Phala is, and not simply Tataha Adhikam. You know what is that Phala? Durvasanam. Durvasanam. Bad Vasana. What are the Durvasanam? Durvasanam is Malina Vasana. Impure Vasana. What is wrong in that? Some Vasana is there. Malina Vasanas, Durvasanas are Punarjanmakari. They are responsible for transmigration in terms of Janma, Marana, Janma, Marana, Janma, Marana. Therefore they are called as Durvasana. Others are called Shubha Vasana. Why? They are releasing in nature. These are binding in nature. This is Punajalvari. That's why Tataha Tataha Adhikam Durvasanam Parivardhaye. Result of Durvasana. Tataha Tataha Adhikam. More and more, more and more, more and more. Which was elaborated earlier in stanza 313. Vasana vruddhitaha karyam karya vruddhyasya vasana. By the growth of vasana, karya, here karya is, we have already seen, vishaya chintana. By growth of vasana, vishaya chintana increases, and karya vruddhya, when the vishaya chintana increases, vasana is interdependent. So that's tataha, 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 that is vicious circle in these. So tataha, tataha, more and more, more and more, tataha, tataha, parivardhaye, vardhaye, adhikam. Tat jnatva, knowing this, that how vishaya chintana increases durvasana, durvasana increases vishayantana, there is no way out of this. And tat jnatva, having jnatva, what should be done? Vivekaihi bhahyam parihritya. Vivekaihi. Vivekaihi means by certain reasoning that were given earlier. What is that reasoning that are given in stanza 321 to 329? Pramado vai mrityu iti Sanat Kumaraha aha. Bhagavan Brahmanaha Sutaha. 321, not 320, 321 to 329. Pramado Brahmanisthayam nakartavyah kadachana. Pramado mrityuriti aha Bhagavan Brahmana Suta. Who is the Brahmana Suta? Sanat Kumara. Told to whom? Dhritarashtra in Sanat Sujatiya. And Sanat Sujata, not Sanat Kumara. Sanat Sujata. Because there was a teaching to Dhritarashtra was by Sanat Sujata and not Sanat Kumara. Sanat Kumara to Narada. Chandogya Upanishad. This is Sanat Sujatiya, Sanat Sujata. So, Pramada. What is that Pramada? Carelessness in Brahma Chintana on account of Vishaya Chintana. So that's Pramada. There, up to 29, many reasons were given why this Pramada is what? As good as death means disastrous to the Mumukshu. So with those Viveka, with those reasoning, that is how Pramada is Mrityu is described there. The Vishaya Sangha is Maha Anartha. For Ajnani Vishaya Sangha is what? Maha Amruta. I hope you know the difference. Maha Amruta and Maha Anartha. See, that means how much aviveka is that you ascertain. All ulti khopri. It is called ulti khopri. So that is it. But how that Maha Anartha? By those hetus, jnatva. That is how Vishaya Chintana is disaster. Psychotherapy will tell you right opposite to this. Which of these two to be taken to know? Psychotherapy will validate your desire and also will ask you should not go against the Vedanta says quite opposite. How are you going to reconcile? Who goes to psychotherapist? Who goes to Vedanta? You decide, okay? You decide. So, psychotherapy is a therapy for people who are mentally ill. And they have to be rescued from that disease. It has to be received. You can't administer Vedanta. Again, does Vedanta tell this Vairagya to everyone? You open the pages of Karma Kanda. There are such means given which you will not find anywhere else. These modern materialists, ask them the means to go to heaven, do they know it? Ask them to give the means to gain the post of Hiranyagarbha, have they got it? You don't know. There are many varieties of Bhoga Bhumi. If described, you will fall for one or two. I think that is better, because Swarga by itself doesn't give the proper concept. But when it is vividly described, in Yoga Vasishtha we get a king, see, who had gone to many lokas. He was Agni Upasaka. And Lord Agni was a great protector of this. And he got such an embodiment with the blessing of Agni, he could go even walk over the oceans, etc., etc., etc. Varieties of bhogas he had. The waste of time, going round the world without any definite purpose, just for sightseeing, etc. There is no end to it. Why you run after creation? Find out Creator. Once you know the Creator, creation loses its value. Once it happened, a benevolent king arranged a huge exhibition. No entry fees. On the contrary, bonus. What is that? Say, anyone, spectator, can pick up one item, one exhibit and walk off. So many exhibits are there. Any one exhibit one can pick up and walk off. People were happy. It was just to please them and give them something. All were coming and whatever they wanted, they used to pick up and do. One elderly lady, old lady, went, she saw all the exhibition, and king was there at the gate, exit gate, always to see, and he was happy that they did. This elderly lady went out barehanded. King was surprised. Say, Amma, what is this? You have the perfect freedom to pick up anything. I am not. I am not interested in any of these things. What are you interested? I am interested in you. If I bag you, entire kingdom is gone. Why should I care for small things? Even it may be big from the world standpoint. Why should I care? Like this king went, etc., and somewhere some mischief took place. He did an offense and got the curse of a rishi. And rishi cursed him to become a deer, Mruga. And he became a deer in a forest, and a hunter caught this deer. Very beautiful deer. He thought, better give to the emperor, I will get reward. And do you know who was the emperor? Dasharatha. No, not the king, Dasharatha. And do you know, and Dasharatha kept in his pleasure garden. His pleasure garden. And such a beautiful, etc. And it was a time when Yoga Vasishtha teaching was going on. Yoga Vasishtha teaching was going on. And Vasishtha was narrating about all this, etc. Then he said, such and such king, so what is that? had undergone all these experiences, and he told, it is there in the pleasant garden of your father. So he told Dasharatha, bring that deer here. And bring it back. And this movie, everybody was enjoying it. Like a small deer, no? This small deer or this calf, etc. You should know that. Such a beauty, you can play with them. So that is, Bombay people don't know anything. Useless fellows, they don't know. In the village, etc. It's really, see, when the wind blows in the ears of the calf, it dances and sings, and already something great it is. You can enjoy that. So that's that. So it is that. Then Vishwamitra took pity on that, because he was who? King. He said, Vasishtha, do something for that. You have brought it here. So Vasishtha took the water from the Kamandalu with mantra sprinkled on that. Original king is ready. The king free from Shapa is there. So Dasharatha got up, honored him because of the king. The king made him sit on a throne, etc. Then Vasishtha requested, O king, please tell all your experiences. No tourist can give such a varieties of experiences. जैसे एक भी मिलेगा तो ये फॉल फॉरवर्ड. अभी कुछ पता नहीं है, बट परम वैराग्य. But vairagya must be in the presence of Vishaya. Of course, in the beginning, it has to be practiced otherwise, but finally in the presence of Vishaya, the vairagya, that it is like, Thanu Nikandana. It can be that vairagya is that. So therefore, this is what that Bahya Abhisandhi, Bahya Abhisandhi. So that is how. So that means one should be. So the question was, psychotherapy is correct or Vedanta is correct? See, look, if a psychic patient is available, you can Vedantize the psychotherapist. ISC is used for that. Realize, realize is what? Make it real. You can Vedantize psychotherapy. Means, through psychotherapy, you can administer Vedanta. If you psychotherapize Vedanta, neither good for Vedanta, not for Vedanti, Mumukshu at all. So that's why see, in the Karma Kanda, so many karmas, upasanas are given. What for? To fulfill the desire. Then Vedanta, Jnana Kanda speaks of Vairagya. For whom? For a mature person. A mature person, Parikshalokan Karmasitan Brahmana Nirvedamayat Nasti Akritaha Krutena. Why do you administer Vairagya to a person who is not a mature person? And then you give psychotherapy. Why is it necessary? So make them take to better desires. See, Swarga etc. are meant for that. Do you know why? At least by hooking to Swarga, they are made to live a life of Dharma. And when the life of Dharma is lived, disciplined mind will slowly take to Viveka. So Vedanta our Vedas have got a graded plan. See, it is not that Vairagya is not total thing, it is only for natural life. How many can take to Vedanta? Ramayana, Mahabharata. Many can take. Yes, they can get benefited, but they can't get. That is why Vyasa was very sad after compiling Vedas and writing Brahma Sutra. Even Shankaracharya was not satisfied after writing Prasthantraya Bhashya, because he knew only very few will be benefited by that. That is what made Shankaracharya to compose stotras. Varieties of stotras. Why? For Upasana, etc., they are necessary. That is what made Vyasa write Bhagavata Purana. Because all cannot take to Vedanta. So that doesn't mean something wrong with Vairagya. You know, help the seeker to become mature. So don't condemn Vairagya. Don't condemn that. If you are condemning, you are talking to a wrong audience. That is where it is. It's a wrong audience. Don't blame Vedas for that. Don't blame Shastra for that. Don't blame Vedanta for that. They are very practical. So that is the case. We should be very careful about this. Say that this is undermining Vairagya and all that. So that is yes. That means that this Durvasana is because of Vishaya Chintana has to be given up. Jnatva, knowing very well how any inadvertence, pramada in Brahmanusandhana is spelled disaster. Therefore what? Vivekaihi Bhahyam Parihritya. Bhahyam means Anatmanam Parihritya. What should be done? Nit. Svatmanusandhim. What is Atmanusandhi? Atma Chintana. Brahma Chintana. Nityam Vidadhita. Always Kuryat. Vidadhita means should take to. Kuryat one to take to. So therefore, in Bhyanusandhana, in Bhyanusandhi, Vishaya Chintana, what is that? Bandhakatva is there. Capacity to bind is there. And its destruction leads to Parama Purushartha. So therefore, this is the outcome being told.
Bhye niruddhe manasa prasannata. Manas prasade paramatma darshanam. Tasmin sudrushte bhava bandhanashaha. Vahirnirodha padavi vimukte. Bhye niruddhe manasaha prasannata. Manas prasade paramatma darshanam. Tasmin sudrushte bhavabandhanashaha. And ataha vahi nirodhaha vimuktehe padavi. Again, bhye niruddhe manasaha prasannata. Manah prasade paramatma darshanam. Tasmin sudrushte bhavabandhanashaha. And ataha vahi nirodhaha vimuktehe padavi.
Bhye niruddhe. What is that Bhaya? Bhyanusandhi Vishaya Chintana. Niruddhe, when it is controlled. One who has got mastery over the Vishaya Chintana. Manasaha prasannata. One gets the prasada of the mind. Just don't take manasaha prasannata means cheerfulness of the mind. Cheerfulness of the mind you get when Vishaya Bhoga also is there. You can see whatever your desire is fulfilled and you are enjoying a desired object. Mind is Yes. So not that one. Is a prasada, is the means mana prasada means gaining mana prasada is a Vedantic technical term. It means Brahmakara prathananukula swachhata. Chittasya manasaha Brahmakara prathananukula swachhata. So that is what is called as prasada. So what is prasada here is that frame of mind which can display, which can exhibit, which can show you exact Swarupa of Brahma. Just as when you see in a clean mirror, your face is reflected as it is or not. A clean, plain mirror. But that little curvature is there. Don't set right mirror. If you wanted, undergo plastic surgery. There is no curvature there. Curvature is there where? On the face itself. But that mirror will reflect exact replica of your face. For that, what it should be done? It should be very clean mirror. It should be plain mirror, not concave, not convex. Right? Like that, when manaha, antakarana is parishuddha. Parishuddha means what? Vishaya mala rahita. Shabda sparsha rupa rasa gandha rahita. It gives the replica of Atma, Brahma, free from all adhyasta jagat. That is what is called as akhandakara vritti, atmakara vritti, brahmakara vritti. So that is all. That frame of mind, so which exhibits the Swarupa, that is called as mana prasannata, mana prasada, or shuddha antakarana. Shuddha antakarana. So therefore, bahe, manasaha prasannata, mana prasade, when this frame of mind is there, Paramatma darshanam. What gets reflected is Paramatma Sarupa, Brahma, free from all adhyasta, nishprapancha Paramatma. So that is why Chaitanya Rupa, Atma, Brahma in its true nature gets reflected, Paramatma darshanam. Tasmin drishte, when that Paramatma is seen means Paramatma darshana is there. Bhavabandhanashaha. In Bhagavad Gita, second chapter, prasade sarva dukkhana bhanirasyopajayate. This prasada is this manah prasannata, where Paramatma darshana is there. Sarva dukkhana bhani means samsara dukkha bhani jayate. Yes. Bhavabandhanasha. Ataha, thereby what happens? Bahir nirodha, that is controlling the bahya anusandhi, bahya vishaya chintana is what? Vimuktata padavi. Padavi means state, means status, means what? Prapika, that which confers vimuktata. Vimuktata means vimukta is mukti, it gives mukti. Now, having described for a mumukshu who wants to gain Brahmanishtha how Vishaya Chintana, Bahya Chintana is disastrous, now he criticizes those people who even after taking to Vedantic Shravana etc. still indulge in Vishaya Chintana by showing how, that means how mean they are. Sometimes you expose in such a way that fellow should feel ashamed. The fellow should feel, because baki other things don't work. So then finally he should handle the fellow in such a way that fellow should feel ashamed. So from that standpoint, he now criticizes, and that is how that is criticizes a person who doesn't take to the control of Bahya Chintana.
Pandita Santara Viveki Shruti Pramana Paramarthadarshi Jananti Kuryaratato Vadambam Swapatadeto Jijuvan Mumukshuhu Advaya Sadasat Viveki Shruti Pramana Paramarthadarshi Pandita San Kaha Mumukshuhu Jananti Shishuvat Swapataheto Asataha Avadambam Kuryat. Again, Sadasad Viveki Shruti Pramana Paramarthadarshi Panditaha San Kaha Mumukshuhu Jananti Shishuvat Swapataheto Asataha Avadambam Kuryat.
Such a person, not an ordinary person. Sadasad Viveki, one who has got Atma Anatma Viveka. Upanishad study. Yo vai bhuma tad amrutam ataha anyad artam. Others may not know what is bhuma, he knows. What is bhuma? Limitless thing. That is amrutam. It is indestructible. Anyad alpam artam. It is nothing but sorrow. He knows very well. That is Sadasad. Shruti Pramanaha. He knows Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa is Atindriya. It cannot be an object of any senses. Shruti alone, Vedanta Upanishad alone is the pramana to gain its knowledge. Paramarthadarshi. So, he knows a thing. How with Panchakosha Viveka, Avastatraya Sakshi, Atma Chaitanya is free from the Adhyasta Jagat. It is Paramartha Satya. He knows Paramartha Darshi. Panditaha. Panda is there. Panda means Jnana. Panditaha. Sun being Panditaha Sun. Kaha. Also Brahma Sutra study. Brahma Sutra also study. So therefore the Kaha Panditaha San, it says Kaha Mumukshu wants to get freed from samsara. Mukshu, say Mukshu. Jnanan hi. What jnanan? Swapata hetum jnanan. That Bhayyanusandhana, Vishaya Chintana is the cause of fall, knowing very well. The Jnanan hi, Shishuvat Swapata hetoho asataha avalambam kuryat. Like a child See, child doesn't have maturity. It doesn't have viveka. It will climb to such a place and fall and get fractured also. It may go and touch a flame, burning flame. It may even catch a snake. Child doesn't know. You have to create fear. If a flame is there, whoo, you have to say whoo, and take the finger very close, little warmth but not this. Then before you tell it will say whoo. So suppose a snake is there, it doesn't know. It doesn't know what it is. It may just say toy, it may think and then catch also. Why? Aviveki. Like that, Shishuvas. And who is this person? Sadasad Viveki. Shruti Pramana, Paramarthadarshi, Pandita. So like Shishuvas. Swapata Hetoho Avalamban. Depending or taking recourse to the cause of one's fall. What is that? Asataha. What is asat? Anatma Vishaya Chintana. Avala Swapata Hetoho Asataha Avalambam Kurya. Who will take to? And if he does, he is like Shishu. A slap on the face of Pandita. So that is why one should be very careful. Why all this? Why are you after so much of this anatma, bahya nusandeh, etc.? See, look, Atma Jnana and Atma Ajnana cannot go together. Vishayadi Sandhi is on account of Atma Jnana or Ajnana? Ajnana. They are poles apart like waking and sleep. Can waking and sleep be one and the same? So like that, so that's it says Jnana and Ajnana. Identifying the body and discovery of Swarupa, they are as opposed as waking and sleep. That is say, Padartha Anavabodha and Avabodha. These are Vibhinna Dharmashraya. So the features of Atmajnana and features of Ajnana of one Swarupa are totally diverse. How? Like Sukti and Jagara. So, like Sukti and Jagara. Why so? Because identifying the body and Swarupa Anusandhana, they are poles apart. So that is now explained.
Devadi samsakti mato na mukti Muktasya devadya vimatya bhavaha Suktasya no jagaranam na jagrataha Swapnastayor vinna gunatrayatva Advaya Devadi samsakti mataha Muktihi na Muktasya Devadi abhimatya bhavaha Suktasya Jagaranam na ku no is na ku Jagrataha na swapnaha tayoho vinna gunatayatva. Again, Dehadi samsakti mataha muktihi na Muktasya Dehadi abhimatya bhavaha Suktasya Jagaranam na
Dehadi Samsaktimataha Muktihina. A person who is totally attached to Dehadi, the entire embodiment. Deha, Mana, Buddhi, including Vishaya. For him, Muktihina, moksha is not possible. Why? All the Gunadharmas of the Dehadi appears as one's own Swarupa, which is not true. Samsara Dukkha is bound to be there. So Dehadi Samsaktimataha. One who is totally attached and engrossed in Dehadi. For him, Muktihi na. Muktasya Dehadi Abhimatya Bhavaha. For a Muktaha, a person who is liberated, he has no identification with the embodiment at any level. This contrast is made clear by this. Suptasya Jagaranam Nau. For a person who is asleep, same time he can't be awake. Afterwards he may awake. Same time he can't be awake. Not at all possible. Again, Jagrataha Swapnaha na. For a person who is Jagrataha, who is awake, at the same time, no dream possible. No dream possible. Because these Gunadharmas are totally diverse. So therefore, one who is identified with the embodiment can never have moksha. One who is mukta can never not have the identity with the body. So therefore, what should be done? Bhayyanusandhi should be given. The question will come, what is the swarupa of a mukta person? What is the nature of a liberated person? Mukta swarupa is being now explained. We have described.
Antarvahitvam sirajangameshu Jnanatmana bharataya vilokya Yakyakhilopahirakandarupaha Purnatmanaya sthita esha muktaha Anvaya Yaha Sthirajangameshu Antarvahihi Akharataya Svam Jnanatmana Vilokya Tyakta Akhila Upadhihi Akhanda Rupaha Purnatmana Sthitaha Eshaha Muktaha. Again, Yaha Sthirajangameshu Antarvahihi Akharataya Svam Jnanatmana Vilokya Tyakta Akhila Upadhihi Akhanda Rupaha Purnatmana Sthitaha Eshaha Muktaha.
Eshaha Muktaha. This person is a liberated one. Who is this person? Is Yaha, the one who is like this. Sthirajangameshu. Sthirajangameshu means Thavara Jangameshu. Is mobile and immobile. Means entire creation. Moving and not moving. Both types of creation. In the entire creation. Antaha Bahihi. Within and without. So, whether inside in the embodiment or outside in the entire creation. What does it see? Antar Bahihi Adharataya. as the adhara of sthira jangama creation. What is adhara here? Adhisthana. Adhara support means what? Adhisthana, the basis of entire creation. Adharataya. Swam jnanatmana vilokya. Vilokya, having directly seen. Swam. Swam means what? Atmanam. Atma Swarupa. Chaitanya Swarupa Atma, which is my Swarupa, is the basis for entire creation. I, Atma Swarupa, is Adhisthana for entire creation. Think of it. You consider yourself to be Chota fellow. In reality, do you know who you are? Why you consider Chota fellow? Identified with Chota embodiment. Let us identify big embodiment. Which big embodiment? Even Hiranyagarbha's embodiment is Chota embodiment only. So therefore, free from embodiment, that is what is limitless Ananta. Baki sab Chota hi hai. Chota in the sense perishable, anitya, destructible. So that not simply dimension-wise as such. So Alpa. So that is Analpe Sukham. Bhuma is Analpa. Alpa is, that is Artam. It is nothing but sorrow. So that is Adharpaya Adhisthana Swam Atmanam Jnanatmana Vilokya. Jnana Swarupena Vilokya. By Sakshatkara, having directly experienced that, having directly known, as a result, Tyakta Kilopadhi, having given up the entire Upadhi means you can't give up Upadhi. Upadhi will go Prarabdha wise only. Having given up the identification with the embodiment. Tyakta Kilopadhi, having given up the identity with the entire embodiment. Akhanda Rupaha, being Akhanda Rupa. What is that Akhanda? Akhanda means Aparichinna. Khanda means limitation, break, Aparichinna. And what is that? Purnatmana Satchidananda Swarupa. So Akhanda Desha Kala Vastutaha Aparichinna, which is Paripurna, Purnatma Swarupa, Satchit Ananda Swarupa. Purnatmana Sthitaha, abide. Eshaha Muktaha. In short, Shankaracharya gives in Taittiriya Bhashya definition of moksha. Swatmana avasthiti. Swatma rupena avasthana. That is what moksha is. Then, what is the means for moksha? What is the means for samsara? At practical level, Vishayabhi Sandhi. So means for moksha is what? Reverse the process. Continue.
Sarvatmana bandha vimukti hetu. Sarvatma bhavanna parosti kaschit. Drushyāgrade satyupapadyate tau. Sarvatma bhavosya tadatmanishtaya. Anvaya. Sarvatmana bandha vimukti hetuhu. Sarvatma bhavat paraha kaschit na asti. Asau sarvatma bhavaha asya sadatmanishtaya drusyagrahe sati उपपद्यते. Again, सर्वात्मना बंध विमुक्ति हेतु सर्वात्मभावात् परः कश्चित् न अस्ति. असौ सर्वात्मभावः अस्य सदात्मनिष्ठया दृश्याग्रहे सति उपपद्यते.
सर्वात्मना, here सर्वात्मना means सर्व प्रकारेण. English is by all means, by all means, सर्व प्रकारेण. बंध विमुक्ति हेतु, हेतु the means to get freed from bondage. Other than this there is nothing. Other than what? Sarvatma bhava. By direct knowledge that my Swarupa Atma is the Swarupa of everything. Atma Brahma itself is the entire Prapancha. Sarvatma bhava. So that is Atma Swarupa is the Swarupa of everyone. That my Swarupa Atma is the basis of entire creation, adhisthana of entire creation. Sarvatma bhava is Paraha na asti. Paraha kaschit na asti. No other means is there. You can't have a shortcut. Without Sarvatma bhava, without discovering the Chaitanya Rupa Atma, which is the Swarupa of entire creation, there is no possibility of getting freed from bondage. Aparaha kaschit na asti. That means now to get freed from bondage, what is the means? Sarvatma bhava. Now how to get Sarvatma bhava? How to get Sarvatma bhava? He says, Asau. Asau means, Asau Sarvatma bhava. This Sarvatma bhava, Asya means Jnaninaha, Parajnani, Sada, always, Atmanishtaya, by firm abidance of the mind in the Atma Swarupa. And how it is gained? How it is firm abidance in the Atma Swarupa, how is it gained? Drishyagrahe sati upapadyate. Is possible, upapadyate, where Drishyagrahe. Today, where is the mind? Not Sadatmanishta, Drishyatmanishta. Always abiding where? In the Drishya. So, Drishyagrahe, Drishyanam agrahe, is non-cognition of Drishya. That's why Vishaya Chintana was pointed out as the main obstruction for mind to get abide in the Swarupa. Drishyasya agrahe sati. When the Vishaya Chintana is not there, mind is not preoccupied in the Vishaya Chintana, upapadyate is possible. This is how one can be muktaha. Sleep further. Om
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीम् मनीषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं